Mopar to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible. 383 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic A727 transmission. This is an original Plum Crazy Metallic FC7 paint code car. Also original engine and transmissions. We go ahead and take a look at the chrome bumper, grille. This car has had restoration work done to it, obviously, as nice as the paint shows. It is a black vinyl power top, and we'll put that up at the end so we can take a peek at that, look at the condition. But first, if you want to see it in the still pictures, undersides, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the rear of this car. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We've actually decoded the fender tag. You can get a shot of the VIN on it also, so you can see all the information on this car. It does have power steering, 4-barrel Holley on it right now. I was ordered with the tachometer. That'd be a factory tack, and that's the options you can see that were ordered factory in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the Dodge Rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Seat belts intact, black vinyl, nice shape. As you can see, free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Top of the dash looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There we go. And you see tachometer, working order, gauges, AM radio. Take a look at the top of the dash. Boy, nice smooth running 383. No crazy exhaust cam, anything like that. Nothing over the top. Smooth running V8. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. And speaking of it running, we'll slip up to the front. We'll pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll check out that top and wrap up this video. Take a look at the hood liner. There's that engine bay. Again, 383, numbers matching engine and tranny, it appears. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the stamping yourself. Fender tag intact. That's also decoded in the still pictures. Mentioned earlier, has power steering. And this is an original Plum Crazy metallic paint car. Should be, let's see, paint code, I believe it would have been FC7. You can see that in the decoding in the still pictures. Alright, one last thing. I'm going to pause this, put the top up, check out the condition of that. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, power top functions as it should. Black vinyl, nice fit above the windshield there, as you can see. Let's take a look over for condition. FYI, glass rear window. Do not see any rips, tears, holes, much wear at all in this. Top looks good, what you'd expect with the condition of the rest of the car. So there you go, Plum Crazy Metallic, original color of this car. Original engine and trans. Check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the stamping on there. 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call 30 now.